Good morning, everybody. Grateful for another beautiful day. Hope you all had a great day yesterday. I will be trading my 50K Top Step X funded account as well as my 20 Apex um, evaluations. All right. Um, Top Step X actually did something really weird. There's a huge gap right here that doesn't show on TradingView. Even on the MNQ chart, it doesn't show, right? So this kind of tells me that TopStep X's platform kind of glitched out. So if anybody was trading in this area, I'm not sure what happened, but y'all might have had some issues. But anyways, what I am seeing currently is this huge inversed. What I am seeing currently is this huge inversed fair value gap right here. I notated this draw on liquidity yesterday that it took. Now, the next draw on liquidity that I believe is going to be right here. I do believe that price will kind of work its way up, take this out, and then head down lower. The reason why I say that, let's look at the NQ chart because I have that here. Okay. Um, is that when you take the fib from this range to the bottom of this range, the 50 fib level, when price goes up into a premium to short into a discount, it's right in line with this fair value gap. Okay, this inverse fair value gap as well as this fair value gap right here. All right, so this 1 hour fair value gap. So there's three different confluences that is telling me that price wants to take this out, go into this imbalance to rebalance and to send price back down lower. So that's what we're going to be waiting for. Okay, so that's what we're going to be waiting for. Um, I'm going to try to be very patient. I'm going to try to be very patient. Let's just see if I will be able to practice patience and wait for price to come up here and give me some confirmation that there's going to be some downside. But yeah, let's just wait and see what happens. All right. Finally had some time to go over the day. That trade took forever. I did get a little impatient, but it's all right. I just took some profit and I just didn't want to be in the market anymore because I couldn't stand to sit here and continue to watch it. I mean, I could have just walked away, but I didn't want to walk away. What can I say? Price did exactly what I expected it to do. In the beginning of the video, I notated this inverse fair value gap as well as this fair value gap right here on the 1 hour and the 15 minute right here. Price came up into that 1 hour inverse fair value gap, the 1 hour fair value gap, and into the 15-minute fair value gap, taking out this draw in liquidity. Price went into premium and came down to take out all of this liquidity here. I still think price is bearish. I still think we could go down lower, but I didn't want to be participating in the market anymore, so I took profit. The first two trades y'all saw me take a loss. I almost tilted, right? Because basically entered a short at this 5-minute inverse fair value gap. It came down into profit and then completely reversed on me, stopped me out, and I thought price was gonna come down, right? Because it came back into my area of interest and immediately stopped me out. So I just sat on my hands and I waited. When price came back down into here, I entered another short and I was able to capture this move down here. I'm not gonna lie, I did get, I did feel some fear here and I wanted to take profit and um I don't know if y'all caught it in the recording, but I was about to enter like a couple minis for shorts and I stopped myself. Even though that would have been a great win to push price back down, it just wouldn't have been great discipline. Adding onto a position or creating a new position to try to get a small move. The RR wasn't there for me, the risk to reward. And the risk was more on the upside. So um, today I am pretty proud of myself for sticking to my trade plan and the bias for the short, and it worked out well. It turned out that my analysis was correct from the beginning of the video, and the trade worked out really well. Right now, market seems like it's kind of holding here. Price is kind of holding here. There's a lot of liquidity. This is going to get blown through soon. I just don't know if it's going to be today or tomorrow, but price is definitely bearish. We are in a market maker sell model. So external range liquidity came down, came back up into internal range liquidity. And I think this is going to be the point of interest to take out for external range liquidity. Yeah, let me know in the comments below how y'all did today. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K. I forgot to show y'all the performance summary for my Apex account. I did about $635 total equity. I am shy $2,300 of getting all 20 funded. So we are working on this, but I am only recording the profit for the funded account. All right. So with this funded account, I will be eligible for a trade on Friday if I continue to, make $200 or more. I'm not sure if I'm going to take a payout with that. I kind of want to see how much I can run this up, but taking money is always a good idea. The only problem is that I noticed that when I do take a payout, I end up doing very badly and below the account. So I'm not sure what the change in mindset is when I do take a payout. I just gotta figure that out and kind of take things slow. But yeah, let me know how y'all did today, and I will catch y'all tomorrow.